What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today, by the title, we are doing another custom tapestry video. These are really big for me right now. So a lot of people are, wanting me to make them a hoodie. So the exact same person that was on the last tapestry, I have on this tapestry now, and we are going to make, tapestry again. So let's go. In this video, I don't think that I'm gonna walk you through. I'm gonna walk you through some steps, but if you guys have more in detail steps that you guys want to see, make sure you guys check out the other video that I posted, because that's where I went into a lot of detail. In this one is gonna just be more of me not even talking, me just showing you guys the process of me making the tapestry. Now, if you guys do have questions that I didn't answer in this video or my last video, please leave them down in the comment section so I can answer those for you in the next video, as I have, kind of more orders that I'm going to be doing here. So let me know what you guys want to see from these tapestry videos. A lot of different cool things coming, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, subscribe and join the family. Turn on that postable notifications so you can be notified every single time I upload. Without further ado, I'm not going to yap anymore. Let's just get straight into it.
Sorry I missed your call, I was on the jet. I've been so zoned out, trying to figure out what's next. So scared to fail, I'm calculating my every step. Gotta watch my back and keep my scrap, but nonetheless, I think about you when I'm gone. Wishing I can probably home, wishing someone come and love you how they supposed to now. See this letter, but it's too late. I hope chasing my dreams don't get in the way. I blame my struggles and my offers for my hustling ways. I'm waiting in Michigan right now, look at that real estate. God knows I wanna lay it down, but I'm chasing cake. Can't go back broke, stay on the go, that's all that's on my brain. Tell me fuck you, I hate you, then I love you, can't blame you. She said I love you, but don't trust you, can't change you. I just hope we don't end hot day, do you crash and burn on the shade room. Screen runner, gotta stop running sometimes. I'm in your city tonight, and these lights make me feel so inspired. You're only higher and higher and higher. Taking me higher. Higher and higher and higher.
I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice, so your voice recording was enough. I should hang up. What am I doing? So I feel kind of dumb, but I miss you. I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love and how much I miss your touch.
All right, y'all. So at this point, I got basically everything connected besides for the hoodie and the wrist part and the actual front and back together. But I connected the two front and back pieces together and attached the sleeves. I also hemmed up the sassy, you moving. Hemmed up the sleeves and the bottom of the jacket. Now all that's left is to attach the hoodie and to close up the sleeves here. All I'm gonna do is flip it back inside out and start from the wrist all the way down to the bottom waist of the jacket. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I apply the hood onto the hoodie part, or the, yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna explain the best that I can on how to attach the hood to the sweater part. So basically you want to find your front, you want to find your back. So I believe that this is going to be my front. This is going to be my back. Now you just take your hood or your head part, fold it in half. You can fold it in half by taking the shoulder seams. Your hoodie should be inside out. That would have been nice to let you guys know. Glad I realized that before. So inside out, 2 shoulder seams together, orange clip, the middle of the front, yellow clip, the middle of the back. Again, hoodie right side out, front of the hoodie down with the 2 sides together. Place this inside of the hoodie or of the sweater part. Again, 2 sides, add that to the clip. Same with the back, hood, that seam, clip that. Now we have a circle that we need to sew together. So we are going to sew all the way around this entire circle. Yeah, and just like that, got the hood attached and the hoodie all complete. Let's throw it on our girl let's throw it on our girl Sassy. See how it look. Bring that out here, girl. Still gotta go around and clean up some threads. Boom. How is it looking, y'all? Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys want me to go over anything in particular. New designs coming for the tapestries coming soon. Sassy little Lena, so I gotta hold her up a little bit. But let me know what you guys think of the custom tapestry. If you guys liked me kind of letting the music ride over me, kind of talking and explaining everything step by step. Let me know what you guys want to see next down below. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, join the family, hit that post bell notifications so you guys get notified every single time I post. Without further ado, stay positive, and I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.